Hello developers, welcome to Mining Devs. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin, the hottest technology that there is. You must have heard about it from the news, from the prices going up and down, right? And from your friends, from your family, that something like this exists, or some other cryptocurrency for that matter, right? What exactly is the technology behind it? This is the question of a lot of people that are there, right? And why are the prices so much? What is so valuable in Bitcoin? So what we'll do today is we'll try to go and read about the Bitcoin white paper. We'll try to explain Bitcoin white paper as much as possible and in layman language, so that you as a newcomer can get onboarded and understand what Bitcoin actually is. Now, what is Bitcoin white paper? Bitcoin white paper is just an information document that was launched by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. That white paper contains information on the plan of action of Bitcoin. It suggests each and everything that Bitcoin is built upon. It suggests problems as well as solutions, right? So we'll go towards the introduction part, we'll go towards the network part, we'll go towards the transactions part, and as well as we'll go towards the wallets part, the keys, and all the basic stuff that we need to cover in this white paper series. So stay tuned and let's get started.
The next topic we'll talk about is incentive. By convention, the first transaction in the block is a special transaction that starts a new coin owned by the creator of the block. In this particular section, what Satoshi has talked about are the various incentives that are provided to the nodes, right? So that they stay honest, as well as they stay committed to mining. Because mining takes a lot of electricity, a lot of CPU power, and a lot of manpower as well along with it. Because where you can see, what we need right now is a lot of plants and a lot of big plants that can actually mine Bitcoin, because of the difficulty that mining Bitcoin has already faced now, because of a lot of transactions and because of a lot of popularity at the same time, right? So to incentivize the miners that they should keep on mining, so there are various incentives that Satoshi has mentioned. The first one is that whenever a block is mined, the new coins that are earned are sent to the creator of the block, right? So the new coins, and this is the only way to bring new coins into the chain as well. So this is the way of this is a way where new coins that are yet to be claimed are being claimed. So this is the first transaction that is there in the block, right? Along with it, the incentives can also be funded with transaction fees. So the transaction fees is also something that is circulated amongst the miners to incentivize them, right? So there will be a time when the total Bitcoin that would be available would actually be mined. Like, there is a circulating supply of 21 million. So when 21 million Bitcoins will be there in existence, then what will happen is that there will not be something like when new coins will be added to the system and sent to the miners. At that time, what will happen is that the transaction fees should be that high so as to incentivize the miner itself. So this is what was the assumption that was being made. Currently, the transaction fees is definitely a lot to incentivize the miners, right? And there is one more thing that has been added here in the incentivize in the incentive section. The incentives may help encourage nodes to stay honest. If a greedy attacker is able to assemble more CPU power than all the honest nodes, he'll have to choose between using it to defraud people by stealing back his payments, or using it to generate new coins. So what if a greedy attacker comes into picture here, right? So what he'll have to do is he'll have to either choose between stealing some of the payments that are being made, or to generate some new coins and credit himself with those new coins, right? At the same time, it would not be his purpose to to maybe destroy the network itself, because if he'll be destroying the network, then he'll be removing the validity that he has of his own wealth. This is what is a point that we need to shed light on. If in case an attack happens, right, if a greedy attacker is trying to take advantage of the system itself, right, and has a lot of computing power at the same time, So what can be done is that he could either generate some money out of it, right, or maybe steal some payments. But then again, if he destroys the network itself, he'll be affecting his own wealth as well along with the network. In the next video, what we'll try to do is we'll try to cover reclaiming this space, as well as what we'll try to cover is simplified payment verification. And we'll cover these two sections in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do comment. Please do leave your valuable comments in the comment section. And if you have any doubts, please comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And we'll try to clarify it. And as well as if you need some more videos on some different topics that you want to understand, please leave us a comment and we'll try and make all those videos so that you as a newcomer can understand better. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.